Welcome back to Mixology Monday with the Metal Mixologist at the Old Barn in Hershey. Today I'm making an oldie but a goodie, and actually I already made one for my husband, and we both said, why did we stop drinking these? They're so good. And what I'm making is a classic Amaretto sour. What makes it classic, what gives it the throwback, is that it has an egg white float on it, and that egg white adds that kind of meringue marshmallow flavor to the whole drink, kind of smooths and rounds it out. So there aren't a whole lot of ingredients, but the one key thing you need to know is if you do an egg white float on a drink, you should shake it dry. So there's no ice in my shaker. I've got a glass full of ice over here, no ice in my shaker. I'm going to start with Amaretto, the liquor, which is actually made from like peach pits, apricot pits. You could, if you don't want to drink alcohol, you could buy the flavored Amaretto syrups for your coffee and use that instead, okay? I've got 2 ounces of Amaretto in there. And then you're going to juice 1 lemon per drink, okay? So this is the juice of 1 lemon. I just put it in a shot glass to show you that it's an ounce of lemon juice. And then for the egg whites, so I raise quail. I'm going to use my quail egg whites. There's a reason I'm doing that, aside from the fact that they're handy, is that quail are naturally salmonella resistant. So if you're going to use something raw, like an egg white, quail have less chance of making you sick. However, we're pairing with alcohol, so I mean, your danger's probably pretty slim. For the quail eggs, it was 3 quail egg whites. But if you were using regular eggs at home, just chicken egg, a large egg, what most of us have in our refrigerator, will probably make you 2 cocktails. So share with a friend. All right, so I got my ingredients in there. And you could also add syrup, which I'm going to grab my syrup. I put it back in the fridge and forgot to get it out. I make my simple syrup in big batches, and then I just keep them in a squeeze bottle in my fridge. Usually I either do 2 parts sugar to 1 part water, or I do equal parts sugar and water. So you want about a teaspoon. If you were using a shot glass, there's 4 tablespoons, rather 2 tablespoons, sorry, 2 tablespoons in an ounce, so roughly 4 teaspoons. Obviously it's a little bit more than 4 teaspoons, but this is eyeballing, okay? So I got it about 1/4 of the way, calling that a teaspoon. So we're going to put the lid on it, and we're going to shake the crap out of it, because it's a dry shake, right? You can shake it as long as you want to. Honestly, this is probably good already. I will tell you, egg whites shake better at room temperature. I'm going to pop this off and pour it over ice. And it's all going to settle out with this cute little foam top on it. You see that? And those bubbles hold so much aroma and so much marshmallowy flavor. It's spectacular. The traditional garnish is a lemon peel or a lemon peel and a cherry. I like the fancy cherries. They sell them by the cheese at the grocery store. So I already made one of these today. I already know how good it is. But this is the first week of classes, so I really will be seeing you at the barn. Happy Monday. I regret nothing about making a second one.